Ayan, everybody contributed. Diba? Si Ana, especially. Pero yung locals natin nag-step up. Eliza, especially. So, we're very happy na ganun nga. Pero hindi pa tapos. So, one more game.
Achievement ko nandito sa Zeus. So, hindi ko na i-elaborate. Basta yun, thankful ako na nandito ako sa Zeus at na-achieve ko lahat ng first ko sa kanila. Sobrang saya po. Parang hindi naman po siguro sa mamasamain na iba, parang nasa tamang team na po ako. Yun.
Yun nga rin na sa 1 year ago, sobrang iba ng posisyon ng nasa lugar. Parang na-imagine ko rin bagay, nasa ganito kabilis na naman ang pag-asal ng gusto ko. Makaka-achieve kami ganito maraming milestone ng physical year practice.
Parang hindi ko po ina-expect, pero nung pagkapasok ko po sa kanila sa Zeus, ang nasa isip ko lang po, pare-parehas po ng mindset yung players and coaches, pati po yung management sa Zeus. Tsaka iisa lang din po yung goal.
And Coach Jerry, binuo mo unti-unti na yung team, adding the right pieces. Parang for you po na take us to yung emotions nila. You're not the type to show them, but for what you've been through the past year, ano na po ba kayo naman?
Hindi kasi, this is the job. No? I-improve yung team, buuin ng, di ba? Buuin mabuti, palakasin, gawing solid. So, masaya, satisfied, pero malayo fight. Marami pa kaming gagawin. Ito yung journey namin, masaya kami ngayon, pero we still have to work. Haba-haba.
Coach, sa'yo na ng pakiramdam kasi umaharapin nyo sa finals yung naging dati nyo yung big movement ng gas.
Yun nga, kako, it's the job. Yun yung work ko for them dati, and then nakuha nila yung, na-achieve nila yung gusto nilang ma-achieve, and then down the line, ito na kami, nasa sus na ako, so work lang, ganun talaga. Masaya na sila, and kilala ko, and players ko yung mga nandun. And may bagong team ngayon, and nakikita kami sa finals. Siyempre, satisfying, nakaka-stroke ng ego, pero yan, trabaho lang eh. Yun lang.
Parang i-mention sa press conference ng bagong conference na doon na maliit kayo, this war, every mention naman kayo.
Sa marketing, tawag doon sandbag. Hindi naman. Siyempre, maliit naman talaga kami, and bata naman talaga kami. May 27 to 2024 na form yung Zeus. And short time, short period, and then, di ba, short sa draft, and masipag si management, kunin yung mga right pieces, aggressive sila, kunin yung mga kailangan namin. And ayan, nandito sila, syempre kailangan gawin ko yung work ko, kailangan masukulian yung management na binibigay nila yung support. Ano lang yun eh, tit for tat, nandiyan sila, kailangan nandiyan kami. So coaches, staff, players, ganun lang.
Coach, kumbaga, marami magsasabi na underdog kayo kasi bata. So, siyempre, may ilan na rin si Joe. So, how do you see yourself? Tama ba na underdog kayo o 50-50 chance or do you
Yes, underdog kami. In all honesty, si boss, si management, masayang-masaya na nasa series kami. So, yung mga messages sa amin, no pressure, laro lang, okay na kami, masaya na kami, and malayo na yung narating namin. Yun ang mga messages ni Boss. Pero kami, di ba, kung saan kami aabot, sige lang, push lang ng push. Ang laking kumpiyansa na binibigay sa amin ni Hannah. Sandal talaga kami, and magaling yung locals, magaling yung buong team. And ito na yung chance namin. Why not subukan? Diba? Nakalaro na namin sila and okay naman yung results. Siguro, I'm sure may mga adjustments. I'm sure iba na pag nagkita na kami sa finals. Pero nandito na kami. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng ngayon pa kami aayaw.
Without mentioning the specifics, how would you give team like
yun pa rin, aralin namin ng gusto yung mga past games nila, pati yung mga current, yung last few games nila, nag-adjust na sila. Nagpasok sila ng bagong tao, nagpasok sila ng bagong rotation. So, for me, it's all about matchups. Kung ano yung pwede kong best na maibigay na matchup para sa mga players ko. And then, up to them na umilos na sa loob ng court.
Same lang din po with coach. Kung ano po yung usual na ginagawa po namin this season po. Siguro po yung mag-aaral po ulit kami, tapos magtatrabaho pa rin po.
Bibigyan niya yung spiders ang tempo na sa sila. Ikaw, paano lang sila?
Siguro po magre-ready pa rin. Same na din po ng preparation or kung may kinadagdag din po sila coach. And yun.
The team was definitely prepared and we've been working hard this whole entire season, this week taking it one game at a time. So the competition is always getting better and we knew that was coming into it. So I'm just really proud of everyone for stepping up tonight, and it's awesome for Zeus Coffee to be in the finals. I'm just so proud.
Happy that the opportunity to bring the finals for the first time of this season, especially the reactions.
Yes, I mean, just seeing how much it means to them just makes it mean so much more. And seeing their emotion and all the work they put in over the years, and to know this is the first time for this program and first time for me being here, just not really knowing what to expect coming in, but seeing how far we've come from the very beginning, and this whole season we've worked so hard to get here and it's finally paying off. So I know we just are going to be ready for Sunday.
Hannah scoring 30 points in 3 sets. Not an easy feat, but how much have you embraced being that single go-to scorer for the most part, playing for Zeus Coffee this entire tournament?
Yeah, I think it's really awesome at times, but I have everyone around me who does so much that goes unnoticed, or that can sometimes go unnoticed, and I just want to give them credit because, for example, the middles are holding the blocks to allow me to be able to score one-on-one. There's just so much that goes on behind the scenes that a lot of people don't see all the time, so I totally give credit to the teammates. For the passing, setting, all around, allows me to be able to do what I can.
And also, Hannah, you're the youngest, you're the second shortest. You've been through many injuries as well in the past, so talk about defying the odds as well throughout your career. How big is this moment out of all those other defying odds moments that you've had in your career?
Yeah, I think injuries are a part of it, and it's just how you come out of it and how resilient you are to come back, and that's been my kind of focus this year, is coming off my ankle injury. How can I be better from that? And I'm just so glad to be healthy. I'm very grateful for that every day. I'm just grateful our team is healthy heading into Sunday, so it's really exciting.
Heading to the finals, what kind or what type of Hannah will we see?
I think what you all have been seeing. I mean, I think the stakes obviously get higher each time, and the pressure is going to get more and more intense as we get into the finals, and it can go either way. Everyone is good, and I know Petrogaz is really good, so I think just who steps up in those moments, and I love those high pressure moments, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Personally, how do you consider yourself? Underdogs, favorites versus Petrogaz?
I feel like we've been the underdog kind of this tournament, it feels like, just because we have had some opportunities to prove ourselves, but I honestly don't know. I feel like we've already played them before, so that helps, just kind of having that under our belts. And I don't know if I would consider us underdogs. I think both of us are just as good, and it's just going to be who turns up and who's ready to come out on Sunday.
Anna, it will be a championship rematch with you and Lindsay just months ago in the
Yes.
MVP. How much are you looking forward to maybe getting one on her this time?
It'd be awesome. I mean, I honestly didn't even think about that, but we did play just a few months ago against each other, so it'll be fun to battle it out against her on Sunday as well.
Were you thinking of avenging it?
What?
Avenging?
No, not really. I'm just so proud of Zeus Coffee. I haven't even thought about that, but looking forward to it. Thank you.